Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 14th day of May 2025. We just got done with the US closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken out of the trading room today. Most of the people in the room actually got this particular trade. It's a little bit different than the trades we normally take. We look for this strong candle indicator, which you can only get at Samurai Day Trading. And usually we take those in the same direction that the arrow is pointing. However, this candle also has turned a dark green, which says that it may be worn out. So even though it's stronger than the previous candle, the fact that it's dark green means we can expect a retrace coming back the other way. So that's what we're looking for. We want this next candle to push up like it already has. We'll stick our order on the top of the dark green candle to go short, which is towards the bottom of the screen. And we'll see how we go. Now, I'm expecting the next candle, look over here at the PVI indicator, and I expect the next candle to be somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 to 28 to 21 ticks, somewhere in that distance. So I'm going to pick an ATM that will fit inside of that. So I'm going to go for sixes on my first targets. Then we'll go for runners of 12s and 24s. All right, so here we go. And we'll see how it runs. And since it's already pushed up, we'll go ahead and put it up there. This is regular time. We got picked up. Our stop actually, wow, that was quick. All right, so, all right. You see when it gets to 7 ticks, what happened? It took our risk from up here and dropped it down to a break-even position or -5. We went for 6 ticks first targets. 6 ticks got paid. The stop is now at -5. It's still above where we entered. If the market now comes back and takes us out, it'll be a break-even trade, and I can decide whether I want to re-enter the short or not. So here we go. Boom. There you go. Now you can do what you want with the stop once your second target's out. A lot of people will go ahead and lock in their sixes and 12s. That's actually 24 ticks so far on ES. We're going to go ahead and let it run and see if we can get the runner down to 24s. It's kind of a big target. We do have things in the way. Don't really like to be trading back into the trend indicator, but we'll wait it out. If we want to go ahead and lock in our sixes and 12s, we can do that. I know not a bad play would be to go ahead and put your last target right here before the next brick wall and before the trend indicator starts. But we're just going to let this roll and see if we can't get a 28 or 28 tick candle out of this. We'll speed it up a little bit so we're not here all day. It's either going to pay our last target or it's not. You can see why aiming for the next brick wall is a pretty nice way to target your trade. But again, we're expecting, according to our PVI, expecting a 28 to 21 tick target. And now we can, if we want to, we can go ahead and drop our, it paid, we can drop our stop down there, but it paid anyway. So there we go. That particular trade on S&P 500 was worth $562.50. If it took less than 5 minutes to pay, about 4 minutes actually to pay. And if you want to learn how to make $562 in less than 5 minutes, come join us in the live trading room. It's a very friendly place to trade. We all trade as a pack. A lot of eyes on the same charts. So come join us. It's a lot of fun and it's very inexpensive to do. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room soon, and we'll see you tomorrow. God bless you and have a great day.